The contents of this video are for informational purposes only. Please consult the manufacturer's guidelines and use and care instructions before beginning.
Hi, I'm Pat Clark with Lifting Gear Hire Corporation, and today we're discussing the mighty electric winch. When selecting an electric winch, there's many important factors to consider. Are you using the winch to hoist, pull, or tension? Are you going to incorporate sheave blocks in the application that would help increase the capacity, redirect the line, or slow the line speed down itself? Is speed an important factor to you? It's important to select a winch that is either equal to or greater than whatever application you're working on. Regarding the lifting of it, we're going to help you select a wire rope that has a 5-to-1 safety factor based on the load you're lifting. If you're pulling, we're going to help you select a wire rope that is a 3.5-to-1 safety factor. After you've selected your winch, but before mounting it, you want to make sure that you decide on the orientation of the winch. For example, if you're going to mount it horizontally, there's no valves that you need to switch out. However, if you're going to invert it or mount on the wall, you're going to have to swap out this valve oil plug up top and this oil plug down here. After determining the orientation of the winch, be sure to refer to the manufacturer's specifications for the mounting hole diagram. When it comes time to moving the winch, be sure to keep it level. You don't want to flood unintended areas of the winch with oil. As far as the power requirements go for this winch, this one uses 115 volts and at full lifting load requires 19 amps. On every winch, we permanently affix reference cards. This will help you determine the proper length and gauge cord required for this winch. You don't want to let an inferior cord slow your job down. This winch is intended to be used for material handling purposes only. Currently, Lifting Gear Hire does not stock any that are rated for man-riding applications. When you receive the winch, you'll notice the wire rope is spooled up nicely and wound over onto the drum. This is the intended orientation for the winch to be used. We touched earlier on the use of sheave blocks. It's important to find references that will help you provide the proper fleet angle for this. That is, the minimum distance that's required between the drum and that first sheave block. Before we wrap up, I want to highlight a few more topics. It's important to maintain a minimum of 4 to 5 wraps on the drum at all times. Also, because this product is electric, it has a duty cycle. This particular one is a 25%, meaning that out of every hour, you can use this for about 15 minutes and then it will have to cool down. Regarding those lines as well, because it's electrical, you want to make sure that you're protecting it from the elements, especially when you're working outdoors. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. For more questions regarding this product and others, give us a call. As a reminder, the contents of this video were for informational purposes only. Please consult the manufacturer's guidelines and use and care instructions before beginning.